Okay, welcome to A.M.R Automobile Malaysia review. So we're gonna change 2008 to 2015 Proton Persona. We will replace the oxygen sensor. I will do another video how to diagnose the oxygen sensor using the multimeter. Now we move to the video. My customer got fault code regarding on oxygen sensor. We test and diagnose already. So the faulty is the oxygen sensor. So we will replace the oxygen sensor. Okay, here's the first step. We remove the oxygen sensor socket, and while that we try to remove the heat shield, but unfortunately it's very tough to remove it. So it's pleasure we remove the beauty cover first, and then we remove the oil dipstick. As you can see, we just remove the beauty cover. It's very hard. Some cars is very easy to use, as the oxygen sensor adapter can, while using the socket and ratchet to remove it, but unfortunately we have only 22 spanner. So just we make the process to be hardcore a bit, but it's our experience to learn is how to remove it, and that's the video. If you want to do this, make sure you have the proper tool for removing this radiator hose and then the heat shield, everything else. Don't make sure it's safely to do. Don't do at the when engine is warm up. You whenever engine is cooled down. This thing is very hardcore to now for removing the oxygen filter. We thought it's easy, quite easy, but it is quite difficult. But it's okay. We just remove the heat shield for better access to remove the oxygen filter. So now we're using the 22 combination spanner, because we don't have the right oxygen tool, but can use one. But we try first. If we can, we remove it. Okay, this is the oxygen sensor for the original model car. As you can see, this is got dirt something, but it should be okay. We just service back and put in back again. But sometimes, in my experience, it will be settled down. Sometimes it will take time, or it will detect immediately got faulty. So we just replace this sensor. If you're using the oxygen sensor right one, better use the original or OEM. Better use original. Not too tight, but so there you guys, it is the installation process that we done throughout this process. As we can see, we just install back the exhaust manifold and put it back the screws what we loosen up, tighten back to the spec. Also just we plug it out the connection, and then put it the beauty cover back, and then don't forget to place back the top hose, and then pour the coolant. That's all, and then we just done the process. As we in dealership, or in my experience, we in dealership or workshop, after we install back, we using the OBD scan tools to clear the fault codes, and then they started up the car, and then we test drive, and then that's all for this video. But unfortunately we do in house, so we didn't have the of the scan tools, we just remove the negative terminal, wait it around 10 seconds to 20 seconds and put it back and start the car, so it will clear the fault code. That's all our process video. Okay, just now we explain to the customer what we replace. Okay, and then we move to testing the car, and the oxygen sensor is perfectly fine. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.